Hi friends and family, it's Chef Mo with the Bowtie, and today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dishes and probably one of yours. I'm going to be making deep fried Oreos. So before I get into the ingredients, wash your hands. Okay, this recipe is only going to be needing 4 ingredients. Oreos, of course. You can get double stuffed, any type of cookies. Milk, I'm using almond milk because that's what we drink at our house. It doesn't matter what type of milk. You can use an egg and pancake batter. You can use confectionery sugar. Let's go. I'm going to be using 1 1/2 cup of my pancake batter. I'm going to be using my 1 egg. And then I'm going to be using 1 cup of milk. And now I'm going to stir it together. Okay, this is the consistency you're going to want. You don't want it all clumpy. And I'm going to go ahead and dip my bring my pan and my Oreos over to where my oil is heating on medium heat, and I'm going to let my Oreos not soak but just layer them and put it in my oil. Let's go. Because you want them golden brown, and I'm going to let the other side cook for about 2 more minutes. Okay, I have my brother here helping me try my deep fried Oreos, and let's go ahead and try it.
You know what these remind me of?
What?
The fair. We missed out on the fair this year.
Yeah, but luckily we were able to bring it here.
Yeah. So it seems very airy and very tasty. I haven't even tried it yet, so. The breading is really nice, and the Oreo has some nice flavor to it. It's very good.
Thank you. Well, I think I'm gonna bring my dad down here and have him help me try him. I'll see you when he gets down here. Peace. Okay, I have my dad here again helping me try my deep fried Oreos. So let's go ahead and try it.
Yeah, baby, you gonna eat that last one?
You can have it.
I need it. Thank you. Delicious. Very delicious.
Well, it was fun making this. Thank you for helping me try it. It's been your boy Chef Mo with the Bowtie. Peace.